districts barely knew her, and District 12 had never accepted her as one of their own. In a few years, there would be a vague memory that a girl had once sung in the arena, and then that would be forgotten too. Goodbye, Lucy Gray. We hardly knew you.
I can't do it. Can't do it. My place is in the classroom.
Stop pretending this is about your students. It sounds so
I understand the stakes.